Good morning. I am 4 minutes earlier today. So, as usual, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward about 4 minutes to the beginning of the practice or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Jean. Turkey? You have a turkey? Oh, the turkey. Duh, it's Thanksgiving. Oh my God, I cannot believe it. Happy Thanksgiving. I imagined like a live turkey that you're putting in its pen. Good morning, Michael. Happy Thanksgiving. Good morning, Mariella. All right, it is time for us to start. And today we continue with a theme, with a guideline of forgiveness. In the same way that each of us has hurt others, we each have been wounded in our relationships, whether romantic or work or friends. So today let's explore cultivating forgiveness towards someone who hurt us. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle in. Notice, acknowledge all the circumstances of your practice, starting with the external, the sounds and sensations of the world around you, and then gradually zooming in on your inner world. Allow each breath cycle to gently dissolve the boundary between the inner and the outer, reminding yourself of the interconnectedness of everything there is, our oneness. And allow this breath to be soft and easy, completely uncontrolled. Simply notice how your breath flows in and out of your body. Notice what happens as you inhale, what happens as you exhale. Invite ease into your whole system, body, mind, and heart. Scan your body, treating each exhale as your opportunity to lean into the support of the earth, trusting that this support is always there and that you can stop holding yourself up and let the ground do this job for you. Choose a primary anchor for your practice, your breath, or any sensation in your body that is easy for you to come back to every time you notice that you've been distracted, that you're not here. And now bring to mind an experience in which you felt deeply disappointed or rejected, abused or betrayed. Without judging yourself, notice if you are still carrying feelings of anger and blame toward the person who hurt you. Perhaps you've shut this person out of your heart completely. Recall the specific situation that most fully reminds you of how you were wounded. You might remember an angry look on a parent's face, harsh words from a friend, the moment of discovering that a trusted person had deceived you. As you do this, be aware of the feelings that arise, the grief, shame, anger, or fear. And since this is an unpleasant memory, your mind will very likely try to wander, take you away from this memory. So stay in this moment, mindful, non-judgmental towards yourself or the other person. And with acceptance and gentleness, allow yourself to feel this pain as it expresses itself in your body, heart, and mind. And now look more closely at this other person and sense the fear, hurt, or neediness that might have caused him or her to behave in this hurtful way. See if you can experience this being as an imperfect human, vulnerable and real, just like you. Feeling this person's presence, mentally whisper his or her name and offer the message of forgiveness. I feel the pain that has been caused, and to the extent that I'm ready, I forgive you now. I feel the pain that has been caused, and to the extent that I'm ready, I forgive you now. Or if at this moment you are completely unable to offer any forgiveness, that's okay. Maybe it's just an intention to forgive. I feel the pain that has been caused, and it is my intention to forgive you. I feel the pain that has been caused, and it is my intention to forgive you. Remember the words of Tara Brach. When we forgive, we stop rigidly identifying others by their undesirable behavior. Without denying anything, we open our heart and mind wide enough to see the deeper truth of who they are. We allow ourselves to see their goodness as well. And when we do, our heart naturally opens in love. Remain connected with your own feelings of vulnerability and repeat your message of forgiveness or intentions to forgive. I feel the pain that has been caused, and it is my intention to forgive you. Remind yourself of the benefits of having any triggers in your life. Because triggers provide us with an opportunity to heal, to become whole again. And if you're ready to do it, you can offer the energy of loving kindness to this challenging person. May he or she be filled with loving kindness. May they be well in body and mind. May they be happy, healthy, and at ease. May they find deep, natural peace. And now send loving kindness towards yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I be happy, healthy, and at ease. May I find deep, natural peace. Today is Thanksgiving in the United States. And I invite you to take this opportunity to be grateful for everything in your life as usual, and especially to be grateful for all the challenging people and situations in your life, as they provide the space and opportunity for deep healing. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.